GlowTrend dives into a viral TikTok skincare hack blending aloe vera with a drop of niacinamide to calm redness. A trending makeup trick uses lavender corrector under sheer base to neutralize yellows, then a light foundation for a seamless finish. Product tips emphasize layering serums from thinnest to thickest, with sunscreen last as the essential daytime shield. The Hair and Nails Glow Up showcases a quick heatless wave method and a glossy top coat for instant polish. Finally, a crisp verdict rates the tool hot or not, leaving viewers with a clear takeaway.